So today we're going to be doing a taste test video. We like taste and test stuff. So
Bad thing, fine as hell, think it's full. Oh my God, that's my baby, Caroline, you divine.
currently heating up the pizza. I think it's already heated up. So
here's
we'll
another
just
piece. I did too.
in the meantime.
That
So
was
here's all the
fine,
stuff
but
we have: sliced pepperoni
As
pizza,
hard as you can.
Nutella, this stuff. It's some
Ready? One, two,
this
one more
mustard,
time.
this, some ketchup, marshmallows,
One more blow. One big one. The biggest one.
some Sour Patch, some Gilbert, and some crackers. So this is gonna be
I think it's
fun.
ready now.
Oh, okay. So here's the pizza. I'm just gonna do a zoom in of your mouth. That's weird. Okay. So we're gonna be doing the taste test thing, and that's gonna be fun. So. For what? For YouTube. For YouTube. What are you talking about? Okay. So you go first. All right.
And say how I
So
like the
sit at the
pizza.
table. No. Okay.
You need to get together what you're trying first.
Yeah. Okay. So you'll.
It needs to be organized.
I just started like a few days ago, and I have like 8 subscribers.
Bye-bye, poo-poo. Okay, so we're gonna taste test.
How do you like the pizza?
Good.
Say how you like it.
Good.
How's the cheese?
Huh?
What do you think of the cheese?
No. Taste test.
What do you like about the pizza?
Yum. Okay, taste test.
Is
What are
it
you
good?
doing? This is not how we taste test people. Get out. You're going to see it eventually. Okay, let me go get this stuff. Sit down. You have to be blindfolded.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, not you. Come on.
Let's take these off first so we don't make it.
You can't watch.
We can't look. We can't see it.
Oh, what are we filming? Oh, that looks awesome.
Do it.
Whenever you're done with it, turn it off. Then when you go on.
Yeah, Liz.
Yeah.
You don't want the crust?
You
don't like crust?
I do.
Moving on. I'm gonna put this right here
Ew, my teeth look so yellow on camera.
Oh,
because of the lighting. Ew, you're gross.
really?
Yes, you just burped.
When are you gonna do the
Evan,
video?
you can't look, you cheater. Your best
When are you
friend's a
gonna do the
cheater.
When
Okay,
are you gonna
moving
do
on.
the video?
No.
So as you can hear, Paige, you can hear Paige in
Like a 5-year-old child.
Oh, you're getting called out, Evan.
Susie. I mean, not Susie's face. No.
You ready, Evan? Close your eyes. Guess what's in it? Yes, you have to eat it.
Eat it, Evan.
Evan, you're a baby. You guys dare me to eat this?
What is it?
It's yogurt and a cracker.
Yeah.
I will do it.
Let him try some too.
Let's not
I
do
said I
that
will
bad.
do it.
Surprisingly, it's not that bad.
I told you.